Future Forward Healthcare Data Platform Considerations. The depth of data that healthcare organizations keep up with daily is ever expanding. This is nothing new, but now healthcare organizations finally have access to healthcare tools that revolutionize the race to immediate and reliable insights. In this video, we'll explore the basics of a modern healthcare data platform and unveil its larger role as a strategic accelerator for growth, and get to the bottom of the following questions. What is a modern healthcare data platform? What features make a healthcare data platform modern? What are the benefits of a modern healthcare data platform? And what are common healthcare data platform integration challenges? A platform solution will look different for each organization. Align your team and coordinate your goals before conducting research and committing. From there, you can select a path forward, whether that means building a platform in-house or finding a reliable vendor. What is a modern healthcare data platform? A healthcare data platform is a digital solution that houses an organized repository of healthcare data, including EHR, member data, claims data, care coordination data, and more. A healthcare data platform is a broad term that could be used to describe three separate digital solutions: the healthcare data warehouse, the data lake, and the modern healthcare data lakehouse.
So at Arcadia, we have this concept of the lakehouse, which blends the best of both worlds of a data lake and a more traditional data warehouse, and provides a governing structure around that lake to keep it from turning into a swamp. What that means is hyper low cost, hyper low latency data processing end-to-end, incredible flexibility in the amount of data that you can leverage in one of these platforms, and extensibility of that data into all myriad of other endpoints. But when you look at Arcadia and our customers, we are shipping petabytes of data every day. And at that volume, you need much different techniques to really harness and activate that information. And whether that's event streams, cloud-to-cloud mirroring, large batch data transfers, Arcadia gives you a fabric to plug your data wherever you need to plug it through the means that make the most sense.
What features make a healthcare data platform modern? If your organization is looking for a platform solution, you'll want to prioritize one with modern features that will meet both your current and future needs. Specifically, you should consider selecting a platform with these built-in features. Cloud-based integration. Cloud-based platforms that scale horizontally will maintain reliability, even with multiple users. Daily updates and syncs. Daily data refreshes ensure the most relevant and recent data is prepared at the time of use for speedy recovery and synchronization. Security measures and access control. Predefined security measures support data access restriction according to user roles and privileges. Web-based integration tools. Keep data querying, uploads, and downloads simple and straightforward. Adaptable data sourcing. The right platform will balance the breadth and depth of healthcare data from raw files to detailed data models. Rapid turnaround and recovery. Fast retrieval, hours, not days, during unexpected workflows is a must for the right people to make informed decisions quickly. Granular data distribution. Enable teams to access their own adaptable data lakehouses to foster collaboration across enterprise networks. Quick, reliable, and low-latency healthcare data platforms can help any provider or analyst find what they need when they need it, whether that be a roundup of all patients with diabetes or an up-to-date hospital readmission rate. What are the benefits of a modern healthcare data platform? Combined flexibility and organizational capacity of a healthcare data lakehouse open new opportunities. On a ground level, this means faster pipelines through simple creation of reports and dashboards. Additionally, by employing machine learning models to understand user behavior, highly intelligent data platforms can tailor content and feature releases accordingly. Therefore, organizations can introduce new content on an ongoing basis without having to consider increased computing demands. Rapid insights and adaptable data sourcing power teams to enhance care coordination and simplify patient stratification. Consequently, care teams can make game-changing interventions and close expanding patient gaps. What are common healthcare data platform integration challenges? To start, your analyst teams should be prepared to adapt the following changes. New SQL variants to ensure your teams are ready for any linguistic shifts. This involves understanding the syntax, function, and capabilities to the new variant. Training programs, workshops, and online resources can all be applied to make sure your team is all on the same page before transitioning. Content migration demands that require analysts to transfer existing data onto a new one while maintaining data integrity. Train your team to perform data validation checks to ensure data is not compromised. Then, experiment using retrieval queries, reports, and dashboards. New analytics tools, which include new user interfaces and advanced features. Encourage analysts to play around with web-based environments and collaborate with other stakeholders to test the usability, efficiency, and effectiveness of the new tools to usher in positive outcomes. As healthcare organizations begin their implementation journey, they should take note of which workflows best meet their clinical and operational goals. Then, they'll need to update their internal documentation and guidelines to reflect these best practices. How Arcadia's healthcare data model can help. A platform written by analysts for analysts, Foundry can help answer more complex questions faster and more consistently. Our interoperable platform enables elegant reporting based on wide table schema for quick analytics, sandbox database capabilities to upload your own data and experiment with workflows, rich data details including clinical and claims models, preferred third-party app integration to access business intel, query, ERL, and data science transfer. Driving healthcare forward with advanced analytics and AI. Looking ahead, modern healthcare data platforms are propelling organizations forward with advanced analytics and AI. Predictive analysis and natural language processing align care teams and aggregate disparate data into a unified, usable asset. No longer are organizations left in the dust by siloed and tangled data. Now, care teams are mobilized with reliable insights so they can intervene with informative, preventive care. Today's healthcare needs advanced analytics. Leverage Arcadia's next-gen data platform to accelerate outcomes, amplify impact, and deliver rapid insights to thousands of users. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to keep a pulse on important topics in healthcare, data, and analytics, and check out our other videos.